58 Delta Hotel, winds are calm, runway 24 clear for takeoff.
24 clear for takeoff, 58 Delta Hotel, thank you.
58 Delta Hotel, call to return with Dreamliner, heavy Dreamliner, descending above you, 2,400, contact departure 119.2. Delta Hotel, contact departure.
Departure November, 58 Delta Hotel, wind 1 departure.
Citation 58 Delta Hotel, Newark departure radar contact, fly heading 260, climb and maintain 6,000.
200, 6,000, 58 Delta Hotel.
November 58 Delta Hotel, stop your climb immediately. Stop your climb immediately.
Stopping climb.
Right turn heading 280. 58 Delta Hotel, turn right immediately. Turn right heading 280. Stop the climb now.
That was for 58 Delta Hotel?
Stop the climb now, November 58 Delta Hotel. Stop the climb now. Turn right heading 290. What are you doing?
290, 58 Delta Hotel, stopping climb.
And Tower United 1983, or 1981 responding to an RA on 22 left.
United 1981, roger. Stop. Just head to your right. Equal climb now, respond to the RA.
Yeah, we have TCAS RA. Okay, 1981 heavy, we'd like to go around now. We're clear of conflict.
Yeah, 1981, roger. Climb maintain 2,500 for now.
2,500, you just want runway heading for now?
Yeah, for now, runway heading until I coordinate with departure.
Roger.
And 1981, traffic is off right now, about 2 o'clock in the mile southwest, indicated 1,200.
Number 58 Delta Hotel, climb and maintain 6,000.
6,000, 58 Delta Hotel, and which heading?
And November 58 Delta Hotel, 58 Delta Hotel, climb and maintain 6,000, fly heading 250 now.
250, 6,000, 58 Delta Hotel.
United 1981 heavy, continue runway heading, climb and maintain 4,000 now. United 1981, runway heading up to 4,000 now. United 1981 heavy. United 1981 Newark.
November 58 Delta Hotel, sir, I told you to fly heading 260 and climbing to 6. What were you doing?
We report 200, we heard 200 and 6,000, 58 Delta Hotel.
United 1981 Newark.
And United 1981 heavy, Newark approach.
1981 heavy is with you, we're climbing 3,000 to 4,000, runway heading.
United 1981 heavy, Newark departure, roger. Climb and maintain 5,000.
We're climbing at 5,000, 1981 heavy.
November 58 Delta Hotel, yes, I told you to fly heading to 260 and climb to 6,000. You made a whole left turn due south.
Clear, sir. We apologize. We hear 200, and that's why we stopped the climbing like you told us. This one flying 250, climbing to 6,000 feet.
Okay. So you're saying you thought that I said heading 200?
Affirmative. We heard 200 and it's all false. It was 260. Apologize for that.
Don't worry about it. November 58 Delta Hotel, everybody's fine now. Just no delay up to 6,000, okay?
Fair, sir. Climbing to 6,000 over there.
And United 1981, the reason for that missed or canceled approach for traffic that departed Teterboro, he had turned left instead of going west. But you still had 1,000 feet between the both of you, so we're good.
1981 heavy, thank you. Appreciate the
No problem. United 1981, turn right heading 250.
Right, 250, United 1981 heavy.
United 1981, were you responding to an RA?
Yes, we have TCAS RA.
Okay, roger. Traffic was below you. It was a, not sure if you have to file this, but a Hawker 25B.
Okay, yeah, we will have to file, and you said it was a Hawker?
Yep, it was a Hawker 25B that departed Teterboro, and he turned left. He turned southbound right underneath you on the final as you were going down to 25. He stopped at 14. That's the highest that he got.
1981 heavy, thank you for the info.
Well, United 1981. I'm going to put you back in sequence for Newark for the ILS runway 22 left, okay?
That sounds perfect. Thank you, 1981.
And November 58 Delta Hotel, sharp left turn left heading 150, direct to net when able.
150 and direct.
Hawker 58 Delta Hotel, direct neck, climb and maintain 6,000.
Direct next and 15000 for 58 Delta Hotel.
November 58 Delta Hotel, next should be on your route, sir. November Echo Charlie Charlie Kilo.
November Echo Charlie Charlie Kilo, November 58 Delta Hotel.
November 58 Delta Hotel, I need you turning left now. You're about to go into the downwind for Newark, sir.
Turning left, November 58.
United 1981, turn right, heading 290.
Right, 290, United 1981 Heavy.
United 1981, we got a good spot for you. Turn right, heading 010, and increase speed to 250 when able.
Okay, right to 010, we'll pick up the speed to 250, United 1981 Heavy.
November 58 Delta Hotel, just hang on to you until you're on course. Let me know when you're on course to neck.
We're flying neck. We didn't have it on our flight plan. I don't know why. It's November Echo Charlie Charlie Kilo. We're flying direct now. And we continue our climb to 15,000, correct?
Negative, November 58 Delta Hotel. The heading is 150. Stop your climb now. Stop your climb right now and maintain 6,000, sir. You have disregarded every single instruction. Maintain 6,000. Fly heading 150.
6,000 and 150 heading 58 Delta Hotel.
November 58 Delta Hotel, for possible pilot deviation, just advising you're ready for a phone number.
We're ready to copy 58 Delta Hotel.
Okay, November 58 Delta Hotel first. Are you going direct to neck now?
Affirmative, direct next 58 Delta Hotel.
Okay. The number for November 58 Delta Hotel, the phone number is November 58 Delta Hotel, contact New York Departure 120.85. Have a safe rest of your day.
12085, 9 Delta Hotel.